Kumar sir is not taking the call. I called him 3 times back to back. What should I do now? Listen Viru bro, listen man, you are calling to Viru sir from Concept Library. He is very popular teacher in aerospace field. Okay, see, he is a very popular YouTuber also. Do you think you will call him 3 times or 30 times, he is going to pick your call? And whatever you are talking about Viru sir, only you are talking about Viru sir. I have no idea other than us anyone has gone through their lectures or anyone has gone through their videos. Okay, in our college itself no one knows. And I mean, did you talk to anyone who knows or who has taken the course? No, right? So it's very obvious that he will not take your call, right? Hi guys, what's up? I didn't see you in mess in dinner. So this is my project. This is a mixie actually, and Ramu Kaka gave me this mixie from the mess, college mess, because I taught his daughter quadratic equation. She is in 10th class, so she had some doubt, and she's actually preparing for IIT. So I solved her doubt and she was happy, and then this is not working. So Ramu Kaka said that if somehow I can use this, I can take this. So I thought, very good man, I can convert this in quadcopter, and I will make this to self-sustained drone in rain, in any kind of worst weather conditions. And actually I was looking for some cheap motor, and I didn't want to waste any my own pocket money. So fortunately I have this motor, and I will purchase the wire and I will wind this, and after that I will make sure it should run, and then I will bring some propellers. I'm planning to collect NACA 5 digit for somehow, and then I think Viru, if you will help me, I can definitely achieve this. Okay, and yeah, Kumar, you are here, and actually I thought you will be with Priyanka, because I saw Priyanka was on bike with someone, so I thought it is you. Hey Srivastav, Priyanka with someone else? Seriously, Priyanka with someone else? Seriously Srivastav? But Priyanka said she is sick, that's why she is not able to come tonight. And just because Viru called me, that's why I am here. What, Kumar? Viru sir is not picking us our call. I called him 3 times, and you are talking about Priyanka now. Be serious about GATE preparation, man. Actually, he said that he used to talk to students, but I don't know why is he not picking my call 3 times, man. Wait. You guys are calling to Concept Library, to Viru sir, to prepare for GATE exam without my acknowledgement. Seriously. No Srivastav, actually you are already genius, man. You are applying all the answers in college, right? So we thought, not he. Actually I thought you are genius, and already you are very good in aerospace subjects. Almost all the subjects you have very good grip. So I thought you will go for self-study, you will not join any coaching center for GATE Aerospace. So that's why I didn't thought that even you will be interested to join Concept Library for GATE Aerospace preparation. Okay, that's fine, but actually Viru called me, that's why I'm here, and before a moment even I had no idea that I am gonna prepare for GATE exam. Seriously man, just because he called me to know something about GATE and something he was about to call to Viru, so that's why I'm here. Even I have no idea that we are going to prepare for GATE exam. I'm very sorry guys, actually me and Shweta, we both have joined Concept Library Viru sir's live class actually in second year itself, and that time when I tried to say to you and Kumar, you guys were actually in confusion state. You were not very sure about GATE preparation, so I thought if I will talk to you guys, even me and Shweta, even like maybe I may change my plan after talking to you guys. So Shweta said like, if these students, these people, you guys are not willing to prepare for GATE Aerospace now itself, then it's better me and Shweta will join. And that's why you know how competitive mind. So Shweta said don't discuss with them because they are not in mood. So actually I didn't discuss with you guys. I hope you understand. Sorry for that. Oh man, so you and Shweta both have taken the course. That's why you guys are replying all the answers. Okay, now I got the logic. So you have joined the classes in Concept Library already, but you guys didn't tell us. Seriously man. Okay Kumar and okay Viru, if this is the situation, then we are going to join for GATE Aerospace in Concept Library by Viru sir. Now you okay, then even I will call to Priyanka, because even Priyanka is interested to prepare for GATE exam. Okay. And Viru, one more thing, actually sir will not reply this time, because he used to take GATE aerospace classes, live batch, crash course batch, everything in night time. Around 7 to 11 he used to be busy. And Kumar, at least you should know, because you were following his lectures from long time. I know that you have subscribed his channel and you are watching his videos regularly, right? Okay Viru, then better you text to sir, and you also ask for the discount if possible, because me, you and Priyanka, all of us are going to join in group. So if a discount possible, please ask him to give us some discount. Yes Kumar, I'm texting. Srivastav, are you sure that girl was Priyanka? Are you pretty sure? I'm damn sure, man. Seriously. I can recognize her from all the angles. Kumar. Okay, let me check. I'm calling her. Guys, one more thing. I'm very sorry again. Actually, Aniket, Suraj, Prachi, Vedant and so many juniors have taken the course in second year itself. Concept Library, Viru sir, for GATE Aerospace. And you too. I think you guys have no idea that so many juniors and seniors, they are joining Concept Library for GATE Aerospace preparation. But Prachi and Vedant are from computer science, right? Strictly saying, Viru sir is really genius. He has all the concepts of aerospace engineering. He knows everything in enough detail, and the way he teaches concepts, I am comfortable with all core subjects, including aircraft propulsion, aircraft structure, aerodynamics, stability. Within 1 year, I came to know about all the basic concepts from zero level to GATE level. And because his way of explanation is extremely amazing, so either you are from civil department, mechanical department, CS department, doesn't matter. You are going to learn properly. Wait, Srivastav, it's ringing. And if that girl is not Priyanka, then I will break you from all the angles. Make sure.